Dear students, hello, good morning, everyone. Today we discuss about nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants means पौधों में पोषण. जो पौधे होते हैं वो अपना भोजन कैसे बनाते हैं, वो अपना खाना कैसे बनाते हैं. So my dear student, first of all we should know about what is nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition, it is a mode of taking of food by an organ and utilize its their body. यानी जो जीव होते हैं उनका भोजन लेने का तरीका है, उनका खाना लेने का जो तरीका है उस तरीके को न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. So second point is that nutrients. Second point is that nutrients. The component of food. जो we know that we have five major components of food. We have five major components of food. So my dear students, we have five major components of food. Then first one name is carbohydrates. Second is fats, and third is vitamins. Fourth is minerals. Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and fifth is protein. And protein is commonly called a body building substance. Protein. So my dear students, I'm just going to tell you about what is the nutrition and what is the component of food. We have already studied about in the previous class, 6th standard. We have five major components of food: carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, protein, and minerals. Components of that provide nourishment to the body. जो हमारे शरीर के लिए पोषक तत्व प्रदान करते हैं. All organism, जितने भी organism हैं, all organism take food and nutrients to get energy. Everyone know that completely. Everyone knows that we get energy from the food. Everyone knows we get energy from the food, and our energy is utilized by the body for our hard working daily activities like jumping, running. Getting my points? Get energy for the growth and maintenance of their body. Green plants synthesis their food them by the process of photosynthesis. जो हरे पौधे होते हैं वो अपना भोजन खुद बनाते हैं, सेल्फ प्रिपेयर करते हैं, अपने आप से बनाते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉप्स. इसीलिए हम उनको ऑटोट्रॉप्स कहते हैं. there is important points. Everyone knows that all plants are not autotrophs. Few plants are heterotrophs. Like a cascata, which commonly called is an insectivorous plant. It feeds on the host body. So that's clear. Autotrophs. Next point is that photosynthesis. It is a process. Photosynthesis is a process where the green plants make their own food. Green plants prepare their food own food. जो हरे पौधे होते हैं वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. इसकी मदद से वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की मदद से plants gets carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and the organisms include human beings like animals and water taken from the environment. So plants take up water from the soil with the help of roots in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which is found in green plants. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. So my dear students, chlorophyll is a green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. This process is known as carbon. This process is known as photosynthesis. And if we discuss about what is the end product of the photosynthesis, if we discuss about what is the end product of photosynthesis, end product of photosynthesis is oxygen. Chlorophyll and sunlight are the essential requirements. Chlorophyll and sunlight are the essential requirements for the photosynthesis. यानी इनके बगैर फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हो सकता. प्रकाश संश्लेषण के लिए क्लोरोफिल और सनलाइट का होना जरूरी होता है. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. I am also talking about oxygen is produced by during photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. Now second point is that fungi. Second point, fungi derive nutrition. Fungi derive nutrition from the other organisms. All plants, a few plants and all animals get food from the plants, like a cascata, which is insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants. So my dear students, second is heterotrophs.